Today, we're going to explore how positive affirmations can help you overcome limiting beliefs and transform your life. Have you ever felt like something is holding you back? Like an invisible wall between you and your dreams? That wall is built from limiting beliefs. Thoughts like, I'm not good enough, I can't succeed, or I'm not worthy. These beliefs may seem like passing thoughts, but they have a powerful grip on our lives, shaping how we see ourselves and what we believe is possible. But here's the truth. These beliefs are not facts. They are learned patterns of thinking, and just as they were learned, they can be unlearned. Limiting beliefs are negative thoughts we accept as truth, often without even realizing it. They can stem from past experiences, societal conditioning, or even words spoken to us in childhood. These beliefs create mental barriers that hold us back in relationships, career aspirations, and personal growth. For example, the belief that I'm not good enough can make you doubt your abilities, preventing you from pursuing opportunities. And self-doubt can cause you to second-guess every decision, keeping you stuck in one place. But the truth is, these beliefs are not facts. They are learned patterns of thinking. And just as they were learned, they can be unlearned. Positive affirmations are a powerful tool for overcoming limiting beliefs, and they work by reprogramming our minds as they are not just words. They are powerful, intentional statements that help reshape our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. Using affirmations can be as simple as repeating them to yourself each day, either out loud or in your mind. The key is to make affirmations a consistent part of your daily routine. For instance, you can repeat your affirmations first thing in the morning, during your lunch break, or right before going to sleep. You can also create a vision board with inspiring images and quotes to help reinforce your affirmations. By making affirmations a habit, you can start to break free from limiting beliefs and unlock your full potential. I'd like to share a transformative story of someone who broke free from their limiting beliefs using affirmations. This person had always struggled with self-doubt and fear of failure, and as a result, they had given up on their dreams of starting their own business. However, after discovering the power of affirmations, they started to use affirmations every day to build their confidence and self-trust. Over time, they started to notice a significant shift in their mindset, and they finally felt empowered to take the leap and start their own business. This person's story is a testament to the profound impact that affirmations can have on our lives. They were able to overcome their limiting beliefs and achieve their goals. And they continue to use affirmations to this day. Their story is inspiring, and it shows that anyone can break free from limiting beliefs and achieve their dreams. If you're ready to release limiting beliefs and embrace a more empowered mindset, I encourage you to start today. Choose an affirmation that resonates with you and say it with conviction. Your mind is always listening, and the words you speak have the power to shape your reality. What limiting beliefs are you looking to overcome? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're looking for guided affirmations, be sure to explore the other videos on this channel. Until next time, take care of yourself, and remember, you are limitless.